Now let's take a closer look at the UPERFECT 2.5K 240Hz QLED Portable Monitor, a premium 16-inch external display built for gamers, creators, and professionals who need high performance on the go. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With a sharp 2560 by 1600 QHD resolution, it delivers noticeably more detail and workspace than standard Full HD monitors, making everyday work, gaming, and content creation more enjoyable. One of its standout features is the ultra-smooth 240Hz refresh rate paired with adaptive sync technology. This combination helps reduce screen tearing and input lag, giving you a fluid and responsive visual experience, especially in fast-paced games like shooters, racing titles, and action games. It works seamlessly with laptops, PCs, game consoles, and even compatible phones. The QLED panel reaches up to 400 nits of brightness and covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut, producing vibrant, accurate colors and better contrast. This makes it a great choice for designers, video editors, and anyone who values color accuracy, while also enhancing movies and games. Connectivity is simple and modern with HDMI 2.1 support, ensuring smooth performance across devices. The slim, lightweight design includes a built-in stand and VESA support, perfect for flexible setups. Overall, the UPERFECT 16-inch 2.5K 240Hz QLED portable monitor offers speed, clarity, and portability in one sleek package, and you'll find the link to this product in the description below.